You told South Africa the highest opening partnership was 30 across all 6 innings, and you also didn't have that great a series personally. So, what are the lessons from that trip which you would want to implement this time around, and how has the talk with Rahul sir been on this front?
Yeah, we understand that in any foreign series, getting the team off to a good start is the most important thing as a batsman. And last time I came here was I think 3 4 years ago, and it was my first tour to South Africa. So I didn't really know how to what to expect and how to handle these conditions. But this time around, I think having played two test matches here before and having watched a lot of videos of how the conditions are here, we're slightly better prepared, and really we've had a great uh, preparation going into the test match. So really excited about 26th, and hopefully we can, me and Mayank, and we can get our team off to a good start, and try and win the game for our team.
Venkata Krishna followed by Niharika Raina. Venkata, go ahead.
Rahul, South Africa has been a very hot place for cricket that earlier session. In that sense, like, what sort of preparation you guys focus on before the series? Like, is it more about adjusting the bounce, or what is it like with South Africa is extremely hot for Indian batters?
How
Bounce
to
and
adjust,
conditions.
yeah. Yeah, like you said, I think it's the pace and bounce in the pitches here are very different to every other country. So that's why I think it was important that we came here a bit earlier and tried to get adjusted to the pitches. And we've had a great week of preparation. We've had a lot of sessions in the middle, in had some match situations and match simulations where the batters and the bowlers had we practiced with a lot of intensity, and we tried to get used to the conditions as best we can. And we like I said, we've had a great week of preparation here, and we're all very excited for the 26th, and for to have a great series here in South Africa this time.
Niharika, you can go ahead.
Good morning, Kiran. My question for you is that could you explain the difference in playing shots in South African conditions as compared to other overseas conditions?
Look, I haven't played a lot of games here in South Africa, but from my experience, I think sometimes the pitches can be a little bit challenging because of the tennis ball bounce. And we played in Australia where the pitches are fast and bouncy, but here can be a bit spongy in the first couple of days, and then it starts to quicken up. So each day, probably when I played last time, each time the wicket was a bit difficult, and you had to understand and adjust according to that. So that becomes a huge challenge for both batters and for bowlers. So we're really looking forward to this series, because South Africa is an exciting place to play cricket, and comes with a lot of challenges. So we're all looking forward to the challenge.
Madhu Javli followed by Sudarshanan. Madhu Javli, you can go ahead.
Yeah. Hi, Rahul. You partly answered the question. I just want to know if there was any particular area of your batting that you focused on to counter the home attack or the conditions. Any particular drill you followed?
Um, I think for me, I've just been trying to focus on playing close to the body, and it remains the same actually wherever you play as an opener. You try to play close to your body, try and leave a lot of balls outside off stump, and try and see off the new ball, which is the most important thing for us as an opener, and that is what the team expects you to do as well. And we've seen historically in South Africa, it's a place where the new ball plays a big part. So if we can play off the new ball, try and not give away too many wickets to the opposition, the first 25-30 overs with that new ball becomes really important. So my focus has been to really play play tight, and I think I did that in England as well. And like I said, it with the new ball, it's more or less the same thing, but you'll have to be a lot more focused and a lot more disciplined in your mind here, and be very patient and wait to score your runs. Yeah, so I'm excited for this opportunity, and we've prepared really well, like I said, and yeah, we have to go out there and really express ourselves and enjoy our cricket.
Sudarshanan, followed by Kushan Sarkar. Sudarshanan, go ahead.
Hi Rahul, could you give us an inclination about the team and the number 5 spot, because we saw Hanma Vihari was sent in with the away side. Shreyas Iyer did well in that Mumbai test, and there's the incumbent Ajinkya Rahane. So could you give us an insight about what the team is inclined towards?
Look, sir, it is a very, very difficult decision to make, obviously, because to speak about Ajinkya has been a very important part of our test team, and he's played very, very crucial knocks in his career. I mean, the last 15, 18 months, if I can think back, his knock in Melbourne was really, really crucial, helped us win a test match. That partnership with Pujara at Lords in the second innings where he got a 50 was really important, and that ended up in us winning the test match. So he's been a key player for us in that middle order, and he's a very, very strong player. Shreyas obviously has taken his chances. He played a brilliant knock in Kanpur, got 100. So he's very exciting. So, and Hanuma has done the same for us. So yeah, it's a tough decision, but we'll start having the chat probably today or tomorrow, and you'll get to know in a couple of days' time.
Kushan Sarkar, followed by Rika Roy, and then we'll shift to the local media. Kushan Sarkar, go ahead.
Hi Rahul.
Hello.
My question is, Duan Oliver yesterday during an introduction said that he feels that Centurion pitch will be slow to start off with, and the pace will increase as the passage of day increases. Like you people had some center wicket training. So what kind of assessment is yours? And also, like, is four bowler a problem in terms of workload management? If a team plays four bowlers?
Sir, look, I think Duan Oliver will know these conditions a lot better than us. Yes, even the last time we played here, the wicket started off a bit slow and then quickened up and then got slow again. And I think from whatever information we can gather about the Centurion pitch, it's been that kind of a pitch. Yes, and even in the center wicket practice, we experienced the same things, and we try to prepare accordingly. And when it comes to your second bit of the question, four bowlers, I think most teams have started playing four bowlers and five bowlers because every team wants to pick up 20 wickets, and that's the only way you can win a test match. And we've definitely used that tactic, and it's helped us in all our away. In every test match that we've played away from India, it's really helped us. So I think the workload also becomes slightly easier to manage with five bowlers, and when you have that kind of quality, I think you might as well use it.
Rika Roy, go ahead.
Hi, thanks. I think Kushan asked my question on Duan Oliver. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, we'll shift to the local media before going to the regional media in India. Kaniso, you can go ahead with your question. Kaniso.
Thank you very much. Good morning, KL, and good morning to all our colleagues. I've got a two-pronged question here, KL. The first one, how big is the series for you guys? Because since 2004, India have won a test series everywhere but South Africa. So how big is the series, like the series for you guys in South Africa?
Yeah, it's a huge series, and for us as a team, we've always taken the away series as a challenge. I know lot has been said and written about Team India not being able to win series away from India, which we've worked really hard towards, and we won series in England and Australia, which gives us a lot of confidence. And also, we're really looking forward to this challenge in South Africa. Like you said, we haven't won a series here, so that gives us extra motivation to go out there and give it our best performance and try and learn from the mistakes we have done in the past tour and try and be better this time and enjoy our cricket and try and win the series.
Sipo, you can go ahead with your question if you can hear us. Sipo? Sipo, if you can hear us, you can send the question on chat as well. We'll shift to the regional media in India. Rohit Juglan, you can go ahead with your question.
थैंक यू राहुल भाई, क्या उप कप्तानी ने किसी भी तरीके से आपकी बल्लेबाजी को बदला है? किसी तरीके का बदलाव देखते हैं आप कप्तानी के आने के बाद अपनी बल्लेबाजी में?
सर अभी तो आया है, अभी मैच भी नहीं खेला, मैं कैसे आंसर करूंगा ये सवाल को. बट देखिए, आई डोंट थिंक ज़्यादा कुछ चेंज होगा ऑब्वियसली.
नहीं, अभी मतलब अभी
क्या सवाल ही.
Has there been any changes in your batting after being the vice captain?
मेरे हिसाब से तो नहीं. I've always enjoyed the responsibility, और एज एन ओपनिंग बैट्समैन आप पे हमेशा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रहता है कि आप टीम को एक अच्छी स्टार्ट दो. तो आई थिंक बैटिंग के हिसाब से तो वही रहेगा, बट आई थिंक इन द फील्ड थोड़ा और इन्वॉल्वमेंट रहेगा, विद इन रिगार्ड्स टू डूइंग आवर स्ट्रैटेजीज कैप्टन के साथ, और टैक्टिकली थोड़ा अगर इंफॉर्मेशन मैं पास कर सकूंगा विराट को, एंड इफ वी कैन ट्राई एंड वर्क टुगेदर, एंड that will be really helpful and will take some pressure off Virat.
Last few questions. Vaibhav, you can go ahead with the question.
केएल भाई, जब आप इंग्लैंड में इस बार, पहले तो वैभव बोला टाइम ऑन भारत से, इस बार जब आप इंग्लैंड में खेलने वाले थे तो मेरी आपसे बात हुई थी, तो इस बारे में हमारा डिस्कशन हुआ था कि कई क्रिकेटर्स ये कहते हैं कि केएल राहुल जब इंग्लैंड में खेलते तो बहुत इंप्रेस करते हैं. उस समय तो आपने शायद इस बात को कहा था कि शायद बहुत ज्यादा लोग ऐसा नहीं सोचते, लेकिन हाँ, अब जब आप दक्षिण अफ्रीका में जा रहे हैं तो इंग्लैंड की शानदार फॉर्म, किस तरीके से प्लान है उसे यहाँ कैरी फॉरवर्ड करने का?
देखिए सर, मैं एक्चुअली कभी इतना ज़्यादा नहीं सोचता कि इंग्लैंड में मैंने परफॉर्म किया है और यहाँ पे भी परफॉर्म करना है. अगर परफॉर्म नहीं करूँगा तो क्या होगा, इतना मैं ज़्यादा सोचता नहीं. मेरे हाथ में यही है कि मैं बेस्ट तरीके से मैं प्रिपेयर करूँ, अपने आप को एक बेस्ट चांस और अपॉर्चुनिटी दूँ सक्सीड करने के लिए ये कंडीशंस में. तो प्रिपरेशन, जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा, प्रिपरेशन बहुत अच्छी तरीके से हुआ है यहाँ पे. एंड नॉट जस्ट मी, everybody in the team has had a good time here in the middle, और प्रिपरेशन अच्छे से हुआ है. सो we're all excited. हम जैसे आपने कहा, अगर इंग्लैंड में जो परफॉर्मेंस हुआ है, सेम वे मैं यहाँ पे भी ट्राई करूँगा कि मैं अपने टीम को एक अच्छा स्टार्ट दूँ. ट्राई एंड, जैसे मैंने कहा कि न्यू बॉल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है यहाँ ऐसे कंडीशंस में, स्पेशली साउथ अफ्रीका में. तो हाउ आई कैन get through that new ball and try and score big for my team. So I'm really excited, और hopefully वही इंग्लैंड का फॉर्म यहाँ पे भी मैं कंटिन्यू कर पाऊँगा.
KL, Harbhajan Singh has just announced retirement. So do you have any reaction or a thank you message that you can give for Harbhajan?
Yeah, I think Bajupa has been one of the greatest spinners for our country, and he's been, हमारे लिए, especially youngsters के लिए, when we came into the dressing room, he was someone who was very supportive and really welcomed us into the team. So I'd like to wish him all the very best for the next chapter of his career, and we've had some great times. So a big thank you to him, and wishing him all the very best.
Final question, Vinayak M, you can go ahead.
Hi KL, this is Vinayak from Scroll.in. My question is, so when India have done well in overseas test recently, it's been built on a good start in the first test. You've spoken about good start as an opener, but how important is this first test of the series? Has there been a discussion on doing well in this first test, and how important is this considered to make sure that the series is off to a good start?
Absolutely. I think the discussion so far has only been about the first test match. We're not thinking too far ahead. You're spot on that, the first test match of the series is the most important, and it's very important for us to start well. So all the discussion, all our focus has been on trying to do the best in the first game and try and get the team off to a good start, be it with the bat, be it with the ball. We're prepared really well, like I've said multiple times, and we just want to go out there, enjoy our cricket, and try and do our best.